What's up, guys? My package came today. As you can see from my shirt, here's the package, which I did open. So, and here's the box. Sounds like something else is in there too. And I'm using my Eclipse, so we can. Well, wait, hang on. I don't know which side do I need to open this. Well, maybe I don't need to open it with my knife. The first for me. I don't have to use. Oh my gosh! Look at the packing peanuts. We got packing peanuts. Okay, I'm just gonna have to scrumple them out. Alright. Okay, so we shall put all these back in. I'll probably use this box again. Reuse it. Because this is actually a good box to use. And what did I get? As you can see from my shirt, my hat, I got ta-da! Hinderer Balisong Battle Blue Balisong, made by Hinderer. And let me just tell you. Let me tell you. I've always wanted a really good Balisong. I have a bench made one, which I might do a video on that one day. But here we go. Whoa. Let's get this out last here. Oh, it just comes with a sticker. No one nobody doesn't show who assembled it. Just got a sticker. Pretty cool. Nobody assembled it. That's weird. But yeah, here it is, guys. The Balisong. Oh my gosh, this is like my first time ever. Wow. Wow. My goodness. Good grief. I don't know any tricks yet, but check that out, guys. Hinderer Balisong. I cannot believe I got it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's razor sharp. Let's get some paper here. Some paper. We'll just get this real bit. Yeah. And ho 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 ho. It just cuts. Oh, I just love this now. So there you go, guys. Battle Blue with working finish. And it's actually a really good, it's steady. Wow, it's really nice. Pretty nice, guys. I dig it. I dig it. So, definitely going to be doing a follow-up video on this pretty soon. So, I hope you guys like this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.